it's our way. Route 66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio. Sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the problems. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Be with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the problems. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. Got a little crush on you.
Natulog pa ako, guys. Natulog pa konti. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. And we are going to Tagaytay. Hi guys! Hi Baba! Nandito na kami sa ano guys? Saan ba ito ba? Ano tawag dito ba?
Spark in the sky.
Spark in the sky! Ay! Okay, punta na kami doon. Ano naman?
Dito na nakambay doon sa may Innova.
What? Say hi! Say hi, Baba!
Nakakaan daw sila din yung hapon na. Di pa kain sila ni Kap.
Cha-charge mo? Guys, ang ganda guys. It's fogging.
Ano siya? Ating horizontal.
Yesterday I lost the battle,
May video na kita.
trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Doo-doo-doo. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby.
So guys, it's August 18, 2025. It's our second anniversary. Second. And we are here at Tagaytay. And pupunta kami mamaya sa saan? Secret.
When it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you. I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance.
Nagdadami yata yun.
Wala pa nga. Table for two lang to. Okay guys, at dito kami sa church kung saan kinasal sila Keng and si Pat. Si Keng and Pat. Andito kami. Ang ganda ng church guys. Tara na.
Ayan yan.
Yeah. Ayan o. Na-remember ko yan.
Times ng zoom yan.
Tired ka na? Kakatapos lang. May ikakasal. I knew it. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Hi, guys. Andito na kami sa Simoy Villas. Surprise ni Baba, guys. Thank you! Hindi ko alam to, guys. Surprise ito. Since kailan mo surprise?
Tapos meron na rin po dito, parang hindi na po kayo bababa doon, medyo malayo po yung kubo nyo. Guyabano, inform po ba kayo na Guyabano kayo?
Apa.
Oo. Yeah. Welcome po ulit, kakalinis na ng swimming pool. Wow! May swing po dyan, tapos dito po may shower, tapos may CR, pero yung room nyo po, may CR din po.
Okay.
Chill lang po kayo dyan, sa kabana po. Free naman po tumambay dyan. Pwede rin po, pwede rin po. Okay.
Until what time po yung pool?
Hala na po kayo.
Ah,
Huwag po lang kayo maingay, solo nyo po itong resort na yun. Kahapon hindi kayo mag-enjoy.
ay marami pong
Walang privacy. Ngayon po, bahala po kayo. Basta ingat lang po ha, kasi wala pong tumitingin pagka na po. Pagka na. Yeah. Last but not the least. Okay po. Basta pag may kailangan po, sa reception lang po.
thank you po.
Okay po. Oops! Buksan ko lang po yung heater nyo tsaka pa.
Thank you
Okay po,
po.
ma'am, sir.
Sun is setting slow. In this place I call home. Quiet when I speak peaceful vibes in my soul. Healing with each breath. Let the worries know.
I love you.
Life in every step feels tender and heartfelt. Stay at home, find peace in the simple things we need. Chill life brings release. Take it slow, let it be. Won't be by my side. Cold night in full stride. No rush, nowhere to hide. Just enjoying the ride. Gentle melodies play as the night turns to day. Peace in every
Hi, Baba. We're going to the pool. Hi, Baba. Wow, nakaganto. Nagpa-bright lang na ito ng pusa.
Hindi ko sure.
Feel ko
Pero
madilim.
may naglalabas dyan, sabi.
Kaya nga, basta.
Ewan ko kung katulad yan kila Gio.
Kapag save na.
Yung... Basta.
Ayan.
Tubig daw po.
Got the goods, guys.
Mama mo.
Wow.
Gusto ako. Oo, card.
The dew still clings to the leaves so tight. A gentle hush in the morning light. The flowers whisper in colors so bright. The secret
Tapos pa kami mag-dinner, guys. Ang kinain namin ay Greenwich. Tapos Greenwich. And akin is lasagna. Kanya naman is pasta. Yun. Ubus na. Tapos, order kami ng sanding. Pero hindi ito yung iniinom namin. Mali yung binili niya. Yung cake, guys. Masarap siya. Grabe. Saan ito binili?
Dua po.
Duwa po kayo.
Do.
Malapit lang rin siya dito sa Simoy. Around Simoy area lang. Simoy area. Silang. Silang Cavite. Cavite. Hi guys, good morning. It's our day 2. Pero uuwi na kami mamaya. Nagpicture lang kami guys. Got the goods.
Mama mo.
Diba? May photographer. Hi!
Naibo.
Kaya nagkakain.
Eh, 2 to 4 ata yan.
Feeling. Kami na. Maliligo na kami guys. Change outfit. Outfit number 2. Ito yung pang swimming. Kahapon, brown. Ngayon, green. Sabi mo, hindi. Hindi masyado. Ito. Si Baba na ayaw mag-swimming kasi nilalamig siya.
Gusto ko yung sugat ko.
Anong sugat?
Ito, sugat.
Ayun o, dito o sa mainit. It's jacuzzi. It's only me, guys. Kasi si Baba ayaw niya mag-swimming.
Malamig, ay mainit na.
Kain na kami, guys. Breakfast. Pero na. Kain na kami na. Breakfast. Si Baba.
Ay, ito ata.
Ito ko. So guys, we're preparing kasi pauwi na kami. 12 pa naman. Anong oras na ba? Ulit. Ano pa excited ko ba? 10:38 pa lang pero nagpe-prepare na kami para mamaya diretso na kami uwi. Uwi na pa tayo ba? Siyempre. Saan ba kami papunta? Tagaytay. Taala. Okay, bye guys. See you again later. Pwede na?
Babay ka na.